and we're jazzed up about it. Impossible to know where those are.
There.
Is it showing?
The amp is showing.
Okay, big news here from DAP, and we are fired up about it. What's a better way to say fired up?
We're excited.
We're excited, but yeah, but like,
We're super jazzed.
ooh, that's good. We are positively jazzed at this new DAP amp product. At this new DAP amp product. We are here in front of this backsplash that we installed recently, and we're gonna use this AMP. Not only is it stronger, it lasts longer than silicone, it's mold and mildew resistant for life, and it's paintable. But don't take my word for it. Why don't we show you just how easy it is to install and to tool. Come on in. And we're jazzed. Ooh, that is good. Man, I'm jazzed about that. Really jazzed about that. Amp by DAP. Well, there you have it. AMP. It's really easy to apply. It tools just the same, but it outperforms silicone and it gives you a lifetime guarantee of no mildew. That's something to get jazzed about. Amp by DAP. AMP. Man, I'm jazzed.
We're jazzed.
The AMP, the Advanced Modified Polymer, is this hybrid sealant? Are you serious? There you have it.